I shouldn't have ate all that, man. Woo! Holidays, man, do a number on me. How we doing, y'all? Welcome to Pray Life Channel by IMG. Now today's episode is going to be on how you can still go to all those Christmas dinners and parties, and you could drink alcohol, and you can also still make gains, you know? Keep in mind, you're not going to be able to overeat, but everybody's got that grandma or that family member where they invite you over for dinner, you know, the Christmas dinner, and there's just a ridiculous amount of delicious food. It's not necessarily too good for you, and then you're so filled up and full, you know, you don't have energy to go work out or nothing like that. And usually gyms aren't open, but I have many videos explaining calisthenics, and you can get a workout anywhere with practically nothing but your body weight. So stay tuned. No. Grandma, I'm not coming to another one of your Christmas, your holiday parties. Last one I went to, I gained 5 pounds. No. I'm trying to get gains here. Lean gains. You know what? Gains, Grandma. I'm going to have to let you go. Okay? Bye, Grandma. Okay, I would never talk that way to my grandmother. I love my grandmother, but anyways, this video, like I said earlier, it's about how you can still stay lean. You can go to all those Christmas parties and stuff. It's going to involve discipline, just like the discipline you have when you go to the gym a few times during the week. There is certain things that you can eat and certain things you can drink that are a little more healthy that will be at these parties. Now keep in mind, some of us are blessed with genetics where we can pretty much eat anything we want. I honestly eat a lot too, but I do diet to a certain degree, but I am blessed with pretty good genetics, but there's a lot of people like that where they can eat. My wife's that way too. Or we can pretty much eat whatever we want and we still maintain a decent physique. So, but some people out there, they've really got to watch it, you know? You can't be getting the extra buttered up macaroni and cheese at that Christmas dinner. If you're trying to stay lean, you have to do it 365 days of the year. It's not just, you know, because if you cut corners at the Christmas and stuff, well, you've already let your discipline down. So whenever the Christmas and New Year's and all that is already over with, you've already developed a few bad habits, and you may not be able to cut loose from those bad habits, and you might gain unwanted fat and things like that. You might become lazy. When I eat a lot of food, I'm pretty much done for the entire day. I feel too lazy to, and I love gorging myself sometimes. Let's be real. Everybody does, but it gets you out of the mindset kind of staying the discipline like I'm talking about, you know. So just portion control is the #1 thing that I'm going to talk about, and picking the type of food that you need to eat is the second thing. Now, like I've been saying, I understand it's a time to celebrate and all that, spend time with loved ones and family. So, you know, don't be too strict, don't be ridiculous. Don't be that one person that's like, no, too much salt. Like, come on. It is what it is, but you can use some discipline and make gains. So first one, like I said, the portion control, how much you're going to eat. Try to eat more protein-based things. Like if they've got baked ham and baked turkey, try to eat more of that. Try not to eat a ton of the carbs, like the filling and the macaroni and cheese, a lot of the mashed potatoes. Eat a little bit, because even if you're trying to work out, macaroni is an awesome carb to work out. I love macaroni and cheese, I really do. But like I said, some people can't eat whatever they want and make gains. So portion control it. And now when it comes to drinking the alcohol, this is the real thing that gets you in trouble, because you're gonna be waking up feeling like shit because you're hungover from drinking way too much of grandma's eggnog. You know, use your brain with that. Don't get obliterated and think you're gonna be making gains, because you're gonna feel sick the next morning. I mean, the food helps because it kind of dilutes the alcohol and doesn't make it as intense in your system. But watch how much you're drinking. Try to you know, stay hydrated the entire time. Don't just be drinking alcohol and like sweet tea. And I mean, I'm from the South, so here in the South they drink a lot of sweet tea. I really don't like sweet tea that much myself, but just stay away from the real sugary beverages. Like I said, sweet tea, sodas, punches, stuff like that. And I understand you're gonna drink some of it. That's just the way it is. It's Christmas time, you know, you're having fun. So you really want to indulge a little bit. But if you're trying to pursue a fitness career, it's got to be something on your mind at all times. Every meal you do, everything you consume, you need to be thinking about that and taking that in mind. And this discipline with working out transitions over into many other aspects of life. I mean, just, a good work ethic, can come from discipline, whether it's keeping your body in shape, keeping your mind in check, learning every single day. It's all part of that. So like I said, portion control and the alcohol, that can, those are the things that can set you back a lot. Whether it's, and I'm saying you can even lose weight. The problem I have is I'll drink too much alcohol and I won't eat that much with it. I'm not that person that gets like the beer munchies and I eat a bunch. No, I'll just drink and then I wake up and I feel like shit, and I've actually lost weight because I've not been eating. My muscles that were sore from workouts are still sore. They haven't recovered because they haven't gotten the proper nutrition. And I always, like I'm always saying, I don't take a lot of supplements, so I like to get everything from food. Well, if I'm not eating, then I'm not getting nothing. So keep the portion control under check. And then the last thing I want to point out is sleep. Make sure you're getting proper rest. Arnold Schwarzenegger said a lot of top bodybuilders, powerlifters, athletes, sleep is almost more important than actual working out itself. You need to get good sleep. That was the thing about whenever, when I was in the military, sleep was something that was, you don't get a lot of sleep whenever you're in the military. So building muscle, making gains was very difficult when you're only getting 5 hours of sleep a night. So don't be, staying up extremely late, try to, drink a little bit, have some fun, eat a little bit, don't indulge too much, and then get your good night's rest. You'll wake up, and like I said, the gym may not be open, but saying that you don't have a gym membership is why you can't get in shape is honestly pathetic to me, because you can get a workout anywhere. If a guy that's in prison for the rest of his life can build a phenomenal physique and a little bitty cell, and some of these guys don't even get to use weights because the guards are afraid that they're going to get too big and they're going to overpower them, even though they got guns and tasers. But it is what it is. So they turn into absolute beasts just by working out in their cell. It sucks. I would never want to go to prison and have to be working out in a cell. But my main point is you can get a workout anywhere. So if an inmate can do it, you can do it. So it's all about motivation and discipline. So the video is already about 6 minutes. It is 6 minutes. So I'm going to try to cut it short. I don't want to keep talking too much. But I just wanted to get that out to you, that you can make gains, and I forgot to put in, go for a lot of vegetables. They got a lot of vegetables and fruit there. I know that's not a big thing around Christmas time. There's not too much of it, but it also depends on the family too. Certain families like to eat different. I know if I have a Christmas dinner, I'm going to be making somewhat healthy food because that's just my lifestyle. And like I said, don't be mean to grandma and say you ain't going to go nowhere because you got your disciplined lifestyle. I know people that will just like put themselves, or they won't even go in any situation where they're going to overeat or something like that. But that is what it is. So I just want to say thank you for watching the Prepared Life channel by IMG. Go have fun out in the holidays, Christmas time, New Year's. Have fun with your friends and your loved ones, because in the end of the day, that's all you have. That's what you have is your family and your loved ones, and that's the most important thing. So everybody take it easy. Have fun. Don't drive drunk. Have fun. Bye.